Today I will explain question number 14, exercise 6.3. The question is sides AB, AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR, so that triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. So, what is given here? Given is AB, AC and AD of this triangle are proportional to the side PQ, PR and median PM of the triangle PQR. So, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, given is AB upon PQ, that is equals to AC upon PR, and that is equals to AD upon PM. This is given. To prove is triangle ABC similar to the triangle PQR. These two triangles we have to show similar. Now, for this, we have to do some construction. The construction is draw ED parallel to AC and draw SM parallel to PR. And SM parallel to PR. Now see the proof. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC and D is parallel to AC. So this implies E is the midpoint of AB by converse of midpoint theorem. That you have studied in class 9th, as well as D is half of AC. By midpoint theorem, line drawn from the midpoint of two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side and is half of it. So D is equals to half of AC also. Similarly, in triangle PQR, this is parallel to this one, M is the midpoint. So S is the midpoint of PQ and SM is half of PR. SM is half of PR. Similarly, now what is given? Given is AB upon PQ, that is equals to AC upon PR, and that is equals to AD upon PM. This is given. So in place of AB, E is the midpoint of AB, we have proved. So in place of AB, we can write twice of AE. And in place of PQ, we can write twice of PS. And Just now we have proved that AC is, your D is half of AC. So in place of AC, we can write twice of DE. And in place of PR, we can write twice of SM. Okay. Now this implies AE by AS, that is equals to D by SM, and that is equals to AD by PM. Now see, in the triangle ADE and PMS, AE upon PS, this is PS, not AS, PS. So it is AE upon PS, that is equals to D upon SM, that is equals to AD upon PM. It means these two triangles are similar by SSS. The ratio of the three sides are equal. So, therefore, the triangle ADE, that is similar to the triangle PMS by SSS similarity. Now, when these two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles should be also equal. Let this angle be 1 and 2. Means these two angles are equal when the triangles are similar. Now, name this angle as 2 and 3. Your triangle ADE is similar to the triangle PMS by SSS similarity. Okay, we have proved now. Now, similarly, we can say, similarly, angle 2 equals to angle 4. Then, angle 1 plus angle 2, that is equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. And angle 1 plus angle 2, that is equals to angle A, that is equals to angle P. So we have got angle A equals to angle P. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have, it was given AB upon PQ, that is equals to AC upon PR. This was given. And angle A, that is equals to angle P, that is proved above. Therefore, triangle ABC, that is similar to the triangle PQR by, that is side angle side, side angle side, side angle side by SAS similarity criteria. Now question number 15th. The question is, a vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So we will first draw the figure here. This is D is the vertical pole whose height is 6 meter. It has cast a shadow 4 meter. So it will form a triangle. And there is a tower whose height we have to find. It casts a shadow 28 meter. Means shadow of the tower is 28 meter. So let us write here first. D is the vertical stick of length, that is 6 meter. This is given in this. And the length of the shadow of stick, that is equals to 4 meter. And length of the shadow of tower, that is equals to 28 meter given. To find is height of the tower. Let it be h, that is equals to what we have to find. Now just see in the triangle ABC and the triangle DEC, this stick and the tower, they are making 90 degree. So these two angles are 90 degree given. It will be, and angle C is common in both the triangles. So the two triangles are similar by AA criteria. So first you will write in triangle ABC and triangle DEC, angle ABC, that is equals to angle DEC, that is equals to 90 degree, and angle C equals to angle C, that is common. So the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEC. So when the two triangles are similar, the sides should be proportional. So we can write AB upon DE, that is equals to BC upon CEC. Sides are proportional. AB, that is the height h we have taken, D is 6 and BC 28 meter, and this is 4 meter given. So h, that is equals to 28 by 4 into 6, that is equals to 42 meter. So the height of the tower is 42 meter.